Hello, everyone. Are you wondering which doctor to see for a wet cough? Let's explore. A wet cough can be caused by a bacterial infection, allergies, or conditions such as bronchitis or pneumonia. It's often accompanied by mucus or phlegm and can be quite uncomfortable. Wet coughs are very common and can affect anyone. For a wet cough, you should see a pulmonologist. A pulmonologist specializes in treating lung and respiratory conditions. They can help diagnose the underlying cause of your wet cough and provide treatment options. Pulmonologists often treat conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and pneumonia. If you have a wet cough, it's best if you visit your family doctor first. Your family doctor would be able to examine your wet cough and refer you to a pulmonologist if necessary. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.